All right, we're back. I've got this thing unboxed and played around with it for a minute, and I think I can talk intelligently about it. I really wanted to Piscifun, but the bottom would only hold the 3,600 boxes, and I wanted some 3,700 storage. So that's why I went with the Osage River. Really, I think just looking from the pictures, I think the Piscifun has a better bottom. I don't know how waterproof this is going to be and like how much this is going to wick up here on the sides. Uh, basically the only reason I bought this bag is because, the Piscifun that I was looking at, it fit 3,600 boxes, and I was trying to, these jig boxes, I really like those. And, that's the whole deal about trying to base my tackle around a 3,700 storage system. This bag's going to be big and it's going to be heavy, and I don't know how much I'm going to use it, but it's going to be a place to kind of consolidate my tackle, and you'll pull it out and maybe put it in some smaller boxes, or put it in a smaller, like a three tote, a tote that'll hold like 3,700s. We're going to get in this thing. First, we're going to look at this top pocket. Of course, we got the Sunglass Case. Everybody knows what it is. You can stick, give you a look down in there. You can get, I've only got 2 of these 3,600s, and you could probably get 3 in there. I don't know if how well you can see it, but there's like 3 different, there's like 3 different liters in there, and some 900 yards of tri-lane, and you pull these out, and you kind of got to work it in there so you can get the spinnerbait box in there also and get it over to the side, and this stuff will go back in there. You kind of got a lot of room. That's going to be it for the top pocket. You get the pliers sheath. That's pretty nice. I staged some stuff in here to kind of give you an idea, how big these pockets are and what you can hold. You could, this is just a 4-pack of Wacky Rig hooks, and there's no way I'd carry them like that. But you could stick probably 5 or 10 sets of hooks. This is just a Strike King 2-inch jokers pack. Kind of give you an idea what that looks like. I want to apologize about this camera deal. I'm going to you're going to have to bear with me for 2 or 3 videos with this phone so I can get my YouTube or my GoPro dug out. This is down here. Of course, this is some Yamamoto baits, and you got lots of room. You get back up here in these bigger Z-Mans, and you kind of got to scrunch them down to get them to fit. Actually, I think on the Z-Man baits, on these bigger Z-Man baits, they actually fit right there really well. And you got another 2 little pockets here. If you wanted to put your worm hooks or Ned rigs or something like that, you could get 3 or 4 sets of hooks on either side of that and not stretch anything. And you could put a gob of hooks in here. Get this cinch back up. Of course, on this side you got the bottle holder. I don't know how good that would be. I need more than one. It's just 2 packs of 80-pound braid, kind of give you an idea. That's a pretty good, that pocket's going to be the same size as the other one. It just don't have the extra interior pocket. Now we're going to get to the main attraction. It will hold 4 3,700 Planos. when I first started fooling with this box, I was kind of upset because I've got this, this is the H2O Express. It's Academy's knockoff of the Bass Mafia terminal box. This thing's a fail. The only good thing about it is I waited till it was on sale. I think I gave $14.99 for it. They're trying to get $19.99 out of it. It's not worth it. I don't really think the Bass Mafia box is any better. I'll do a review on this. Probably gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna get a 3700. I'm gonna get one of these Plano Edge terminal tackle boxes, and I'll probably do a full review on this, and probably give it away. Like, try to get some subscribers. Anyway, if you would, might as well pause for the cause if you like this video, or appreciate a like and a subscribe. One thing about this is pulling these boxes out. These Planos lock in pretty good. When you go to, they come out really good. But trying to put these boxes back in at the top is a pain. You're better off to put these boxes in from the bottom. You know, you can forget standing this box up and trying to put the top box in. You know, you really need to lay it down, and then it will, you want to come in from the bottom, and it works really well. And it will also, you can stick a double in there too. That's it that's a jig box and just a regular 3700 edge, and this is a 3700 deep, and you got some room in there, a little bit wasted, but you know, that's about all you can really fit. Anyway, that's a review. Tell me what you think of the Osage River. Well, hang on a second, we'll go around to the front. Of course, we got the straps, and we got the chest lock. These, the webbing on this is kind of chintzy. I don't know how well that's going to focus, but this right here is kind of fuzzed up. I really don't like it. I can sew, so if I need to do this strap, I will. But you know, you got a hook up here, I guess, to hang it, and of course you got the rain fly in here that everybody knows about. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this, subscribe.